The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, remote engine start, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel drive, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come see the car for yourself.